The iMac is back, and it's looking fresh. Apple just dropped their latest all-in-one computer, and people are hyped. This isn't just a simple upgrade, it's a whole new vibe. For years, people have loved iMacs for their simplicity and power. They're the kind of computer you can use for anything, from checking emails to editing videos. This new model is no different. It's got a sleek design, a stunning display, and enough power to handle whatever you throw at it. But is it worth all the hype? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, let's talk about unboxing. The experience of unboxing an Apple product is almost ritualistic. It's something that Apple has perfected over the years, turning it into an event in itself. Apple always nails the packaging, and this time is no different. The moment you see the box, you know you're in for a treat. The attention to detail is impeccable. From the sleek design to the high-quality materials used, it's clean, simple, and it feels premium. The minimalist approach is something Apple is known for, and it really makes the product stand out. You can tell a lot of thought has gone into making the unboxing experience as enjoyable as possible. Lifting the iMac out of the box, you're immediately struck by how thin and light it is. It's almost surprising how something so powerful can be so sleek. The design is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and ease of use. It's crazy how they packed so much power into such a slim design. The engineering behind this is truly remarkable. You get a sense that every millimeter has been optimized to deliver the best performance without compromising on the look. The stand is sturdy and adjustable, and the overall build quality is top-notch. You can easily adjust the angle to suit your needs, making it perfect for both work and play. The stand's design complements the iMac's sleek profile, adding to its overall appeal. It feels like a premium product, which is what you'd expect from Apple. The materials used are of the highest quality, and you can feel it the moment you touch the iMac. It's a device that not only looks good but also feels good to use. But the real star of the show is the color. Apple has really pushed the envelope with this one, offering a range of vibrant and fun colors that make the iMac stand out in any setting. Apple's gone all out with this one, offering a range of vibrant and fun colors. Whether you prefer something bold and eye-catching or something more subdued, there's a color for everyone. It's a refreshing change from the usual tech palette. It's a nice change of pace from the usual silver and gray. The new colors add a touch of personality and fun to your workspace, making it not just a tool for work, but also a statement piece. It's clear that Apple wants to make technology more personal and enjoyable. Okay, let's talk specs. This iMac is packing some serious power. It's got Apple's latest M-series chip, which means it's blazing fast. Whether you're editing photos, browsing the web, or just checking email, this thing flies. Apps open instantly, multitasking is a breeze, and everything just feels smooth and responsive. The RAM and storage options are also impressive. You can configure the iMac with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 2 terabytes of storage, which is more than enough for most users. And let's not forget about the graphics. The iMac comes with integrated Apple GPU, which can handle everything from casual gaming to professional video editing. Now, let's talk about the display. This is one of the most important parts of any all-in-one computer, and Apple has knocked it out of the park. The iMac comes with a 24-inch display with a 4.5K resolution. It's bright, it's sharp, and the colors are incredibly vibrant. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or just browsing the web, everything looks stunning on this display. And the thin bezels around the screen make it feel even more immersive. Apple has also included True Tone technology, which automatically adjusts the screen's color temperature based on the ambient light. This makes for a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light. Section 5. Getting things done, everyday usability. So, we've established that the iMac is powerful and looks great, but how does it actually perform in everyday use? In short, it's a joy to use. The keyboard and mouse are both comfortable and responsive, and the trackpad is smooth and accurate. macOS is also a pleasure to use. It's clean, intuitive, and it just works. And with the power of the M-series chip, everything runs incredibly smoothly. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who uses their computer for everyday tasks, the iMac is more than capable of handling everything you throw at it. Section 6 for the pros: performance in demanding tasks. But what about more demanding tasks? When it comes to handling complex and resource-intensive projects, the iMac truly shines. Can the iMac handle professional workloads? Absolutely. It's designed to meet the needs of professionals across various fields. As mentioned earlier, the iMac can be configured with some serious specs. These configurations ensure that the machine can tackle even the most challenging tasks with ease. The M-series chip, combined with the ample RAM and storage options, makes this a capable machine for even the most demanding users. Whether you're dealing with large datasets, running multiple applications simultaneously, or working on high-resolution media, the iMac has got you covered. Video editors will appreciate the smooth 4K and even 8K video editing capabilities. The iMac's powerful processing and graphics capabilities ensure that rendering and exporting videos is a breeze. Graphic designers will love the vibrant display and powerful graphics. The iMac's Retina display offers stunning color accuracy and sharpness, making it perfect for detailed design work, and musicians will enjoy the seamless music production experience. The iMac's high-performance audio hardware and software integration make it an excellent choice for recording, mixing, and producing music. Of course, no machine is perfect. While the iMac excels in many areas, there are some limitations to be aware of. If you're a hardcore gamer, or you need to run specialized software that requires a dedicated graphics card, the iMac might not be the best choice. High-end gaming and certain professional applications may demand more than what the iMac's integrated graphics can offer. In such cases, you might find that a high-performance gaming rig or a workstation with a dedicated GPU is more suitable for your needs. However, for most professional tasks, the iMac remains a powerful and reliable option. Section 7, a blast from the past, comparing to older iMacs. So, how does the new iMac compare to previous models? In a word, it's a significant upgrade. The design is slimmer and more modern, the display is larger and more vibrant, and the performance is significantly faster. If you're using an older iMac, especially one with an Intel processor, the difference will be night and day. The M-series chip alone is a game changer, offering a massive boost in performance and battery life. Of course, if you have a relatively recent iMac, the upgrade might not be as noticeable, but if you're looking for the latest and greatest, the new iMac is definitely worth considering. Section 8. The competition, how it stacks up. The all-in-one computer market isn't exactly crowded, but there are still some solid options out there. From sleek designs to powerful performance, each brand brings something unique to the table. So, how does the iMac stack up against the competition? Let's dive deeper into the specifics. Well, it depends on what you're looking for. Are you prioritizing design, performance, or perhaps price? In terms of design and build quality, the iMac is hard to beat. Its sleek, minimalist aesthetic is a hallmark of Apple's design philosophy, making it a stylish addition to any workspace. It's also one of the most powerful all-in-one computers on the market, thanks to Apple's M-series chip. This chip not only enhances performance but also ensures energy efficiency, making the iMac a powerhouse for both professional and personal use. However, it's also one of the more expensive options. The premium price tag reflects its high-end features and build quality, but it might not be the best choice for everyone. If you're on a budget, there are more affordable all-in-one computers available from brands like HP and Lenovo. These brands offer solid performance and decent design at a fraction of the cost. Ultimately, the best all-in-one computer for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. Are you looking for a machine that excels in creative tasks, or do you need something more suited for everyday use? But there's no denying that the iMac is a top contender. Its combination of design, performance, and brand reliability makes it a favorite among many users. Whether you're a professional designer, a student, or someone who simply appreciates high-quality tech, the iMac is worth considering. Section 9. My 2 cents personal thoughts and experiences. Okay, enough with the objective stuff. Let's talk about my personal experience using the new iMac. Honestly, I love it. It's quickly become my go-to computer for just about everything. The design is stunning, the performance is incredible, and the display is simply gorgeous. I've been using it for everything from editing videos to browsing the web, and it hasn't let me down yet. It's just so smooth and responsive, and everything just works. Is it perfect? No, I wish it had more ports, and the price is definitely on the high side, but overall, I'm incredibly impressed with the new iMac. Section 10. The verdict. Is it worth your money? So, The big question, is the new iMac worth your hard-earned cash? If you're looking for the best all-in-one computer money can buy, then yes, the iMac is definitely worth considering. It's powerful, it's beautiful, and it's an absolute joy to use. However, it's not for everyone. If you're on a budget, there are more affordable options available. And if you need a machine for hardcore gaming or specialized tasks, you might be better off with a traditional desktop computer. But for most users, the iMac is an excellent choice. It's a powerful and versatile machine that can handle everything from everyday tasks to professional workloads. Section 11. Final thoughts. The new iMac is a statement piece. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to design and performance. It's not just a computer, it's an experience. And while it's not perfect, it's definitely one of the best all-in-one computers on the market right now. If you're in the market for a new computer and you have the budget, the iMac should be at the top of your list.